Money Production.
J Money, nigga. Yeah. All I can do is go get it, and all I know, be patient with it. These niggas claim they get cheddar, well I don't know a nigga that can do it better. Plus still we ain't seen no cheddar. Niggas claim they hot wearing 2 sweaters. You only cold when you dressing for the weather. You never go hard, you never applying pressure. We can hear you stutter like you had a concussion. Nigga, 1 beer and a blunt and I'm buzzing, cause I hate the fact when I overdoes it. Plus you know me, nigga, gotta stay focused. I'm on point like I'm free tightroping. These niggas be carnival joking. They come small like Ford Focus. No muscle tone, we're the definition. My bitch fucked up beside her ass in detention. We got a new crib, drunk and love in the kitchen. You ask me what it is, I'll tell you that's just living. You know me, I'm making wise decisions. Anything I'm stacking, I'm never spending. The only thing I know is staying consistent. Murder one nigga, J Money nigga, and you don't wanna murder nigga. Ha! Holla at your boy Jay. Also all my peoples and shit. All my fans, I fucks with y'all. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know. Holla at your boy.